Hello. Do you want to meet new people?
Today we learn how to say hello and introduce yourself.
Let's go. This is easy and fun. Hi. I'm William. Welcome to Learn English.
And I'm Sarah. This is Level A1 for beginners.
Today's topic, meeting someone new.
We use short and simple sentences. Ready? Let's start.
Hello. My name is William. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I am from the United States. And you?
I am from Australia. How old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30 years old. It is nice to talk to you.
Yes, you too. See you soon. Now let's look at some keywords from that conversation.
First word, hello. Hello is how we greet people.
Second phrase, my name is. You say my name is and then your name.
Third phrase, nice to meet you. This is very polite and friendly.
And fourth, I am from. You use I am from to say your country.
For example, I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. Very easy.
Now let's have another conversation. Listen carefully.
Good morning. My name is William. What is your name?
Good morning. I am Sarah. Nice to meet you, William.
Nice to meet you too. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. I study English. And you?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Oh, that is great. Do you speak Spanish?
No, I do not speak Spanish. I only speak English.
That is okay. English is very good. Goodbye, William.
Goodbye, Sarah. Have a good day.
Great conversation. Now, let's break down more words.
Good morning is for the morning. Good evening is for the evening.
Student means a person who learns. Teacher means a person who teaches.
Goodbye means the conversation is ending. Very important word.
Practice these words. Say them out loud every day.
Now repeat after me. Slowly. Ready.
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
I am from Australia.
Where are you from?
Good job. Say it again faster now.
Quiz time. 3 questions. Are you ready?
Question 1. How do you say your name? A. What is name? B. My name is. C. I name.
The answer is B. My name is. My name is William.
Question 2. You meet someone. What do you say? A. Goodbye. B. Nice to meet you. C. Good evening.
The answer is B. Nice to meet you. Very polite.
Question 3. You are from Brazil. What do you say? A. I speak Brazil. B. I from Brazil. C. I am from Brazil.
The answer is C. I am from Brazil. Perfect.
Great work today. You learned how to introduce yourself.
Next episode. At the supermarket. Very useful English.
Subscribe and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.